here today. Something beeface. Would you like to my beeface? I need flowers, and I'm so hot. Well, anyways, today we're gonna do the flowers. Smells cute. Now, then I can do a beehive. Well, and now I just file. This is the egg. How do I do that? We'll just find out later. As I am here, I can fly. See? Duplicate chasing me. Fight. Oh, the honeys. Yum, yum, yum. These snacks are so great. Well, now let's make it. These flowers smells like tasty of honey. Let's explore. Whoa, this has so many flowers. What is that? I can't. I have some flowers. Smells tasty. And I'll just put some honeys here. I've been a bee eating flowers. I'll see. Take a honey. Oh man, I was almost good time to eat some flowers that are yeah. Good. I don't know why I shake. Well, just eat and it doesn't seem I'm all gonna be finished eating. I'm only eating. I'm 16 to make it. So we'll have some fun. Right. Now my bees can help me to eat flowers. So that's pretty cool. Now it will get some honeys. Only find colors, so now we want flowers. Yeah. We do only 48, so no problem. I wish I would fly. Now, got an epic one. Cool. I can do it. So, see? Whoa! Look at that! Awesome! Ha ha! Ihoney, common eggs. Oh, I see. We're not only common pets, we're common eggs. So yeah. We can do that as well. And that. Hopefully it's too. Yes! We add more Robux. We have 4. Or before help me. Come on, we can do something. Good attitude. And now we're gonna just get some collecting. And now we can collect as many as we want. Another one. I can buy that. This would be some goodies. Epic tea. Another one. Welcome to the here. There. Tasty. No, another flower. I love flowers. Oh my god, what in the world is that? I can see her still. And it's focused. Awesome! Another rare one. It was the same. You just do like this and here. Just take some flowers and here. We take a couple of these and fly. Well, I have the wings to fly. Huh? Upgraded. Oh, can use so many. Cool. A flying wing. Type of water so far. We did some upgrades for it. Player speed. I fly fast. Is it a two-way to sick? I wear 2 words here. There's a boy. I don't know there's a boy here. This place looks amazing. Okay, let's do some job. I can't. And now, mystery egg. I can see it by only doing like that. But not good use. I just do like this. I'm not doing anything. are, mister. And this is where this is so far to find the egg, but I can't reach it now. It's literally almost, but I need some more flowers for a hey buddy. Freeze him. None? Oh, I did they can save their eggs. Oh, did I try It's all out. Flying like a bee. Oh. Am I singing a song? Shut up, I'll just try to add it. I need to buy a lot. Now. Okay. And now we need to take these fast as we. Oh no, another egg. You got come. Even if I don't have big space, it shows me. I'm so dumb. I need clothes. Be careful. This is the weirdest thing that I ever seen. Big bees. Oh, my beehive. Will I go up? No. And it's only being a bee, but this was not done yet. We're going to go to this mystery egg and then we're going to finish the video, but we're not going to finish this fast at all. We need to leave right now quick as we can. Upgrade beehive for level 2. I'll do that. Now we'll find the mystery egg in the world. So be careful. And now. And now I'm gonna go here. But they'll here. Huh? There's other people, one people left in over. And a new guy came. And now this is where we're talking out, and this is his base. So this is his base. This is my base. Really. And what? How many people are living? Game is so horrible at them. Really? I don't know why they're doing that, but it wasn't good at all. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get sting. Today is my best day. Yes. I can do that. Beehives. Do it right now. Eat some flowers, some cake. Well, I don't know if they actually can do it. I'm in one just like him, just like you, just like me. I don't know if he's gonna be bigger than me because he's so noob, and I don't know why he never do this. And he doesn't do there. Well, he's so new. I need still more flowers, so I need to do this travel. World 1 unlocked. How do I go to World 2? I can. I have so many to do. Yes, I can. Finally. Oh no. I need to wait. Well, sorry guys, we can't take it at all. We'll just still play the world and my honeys. My honey's trying. I don't go to K, but I'm in K. And remember, I'm just gonna build the weakest one, so I make it perfectly nicely. Another one, finally. We're gonna do this in the next episode because we don't have time to make it a waste. Time to clear it out. Clear it out in here. Color this out. We'll do this, and that is so amazing.
Give me my iPad.
And now this is the police surprise egg. That's so cool. You got? Oh, it gave me flowers. Well, it was cool. Yeah. Oh, I guess so. Huh? I think it's the last resort. Now we can make it. We can make it. Yes, yes, yes. Hooray, bees! We can make the other one. Oh my god. I want to make some upgrade, but I don't want to do that because I'm going to waste all my time. And look, I have so many space to walk and put the flowers to eat. Yummy, delicious. Is he making a boat? Yep, he made only little. He made 3 and then he left. He made 3. He told me he was going to make 3 and left. Wait, this is a good idea. Swim in the ocean or fly in the ocean. And then I can't touch them usually, but I can touch them if it was. And this is iconic. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe. Bye.